What's going on, guys? I'm a little behind on videos, but I looked back in my archives and I found this one. I took the Freedom Fox out to Lake Travis, obviously before it filled up with water, and I was looking to see what my takeoff distance was. Not sure why I never posted this, but it's pretty relevant to some upcoming videos, so have a look. What's going on? I wasn't sure what I was going to do today. I kind of got out to the airport and was hanging out this morning. I was kind of in a funk. Just really didn't know what I wanted to do. So I went out flying around a little bit and actually found myself a new little spot here on Lake Travis. I'd flown low over this a couple times, but I think I even dragged my wheels one time, but decided to land today. And sure enough, it's plenty long and gives you a lot of room for air, and a little bit soft, but not any softer than some of the other sand we've been landing on. So here I am on Lake Travis. I think I'm gonna name this one Long Bar. Pretty creative name, huh? But I'm gonna try to get it back up in the air and see what we can find. Alright, temperatures are in the green. Let's go back and see how long it takes us to get off the ground. I usually don't push it if I've got plenty of room, but now that I've marked off 250 feet, let's go see how long it takes me to get off. Alright, there's my takeoff line. Get turned around and lined up here. Pull nose up trim. Here we go. Probably ate up most of the 250, but off in plenty of time. Let's see if I can see my tracks. Watch out, birds. We'll chew you up. Hard to tell. Looks like I shifted to a tailwind. Alright, let's try something a little different. I was full up trim. Should have been full forward trim. That doesn't help. I'm gonna get back up to about 3,000 feet and do a little slow flight practice. I was doing it earlier and was doing about 36 miles an hour. I didn't even get to a full stall actually, or get to a stall. The AOA horn started going off at about 42, but I was completely stable all the way down to about 36. And able to just fly along right there. Let's try that again. Alright, let's climb up a little faster. 1,000 feet a minute. I'm right at VY. I'll go up to about 2,500 feet. Alright, clearing turns here. Turn myself into the wind. Alright, I'm at 2,500 feet. Going to pretend I'm coming in for landing. Turning base. Turning final. Get right into the wind here, pull back my power, go full flap, so I'm at 61 right now, 2,500 feet. Try to maintain 2,500 power off.
down to 50, 49, 48, 47. My ground speed is 40. Alright, there we go. Starting to get the horn right at 42. My ground speed's 38. Just gonna hold it off here, hold it off, hold it off. A little bit of a buffet. Buffet 38, 37. Yeah, it's still stable. I'm losing a little bit of altitude. Felt more buffet this time. Earlier today, oh, you know what? Let me nose. Alright, let me trim backwards. Probably what's affecting me here. So normally I'd be full back trim, or up trim. Right now I'm at 52 indicated, I'm at 54 across the ground, turning back toward the wind. Wind has slowed down a bit, I'm at 2,200 feet. 50, 49, 8. Make sure I stay coordinated here, center that ball. Pulling back 46, 45, 2, 41, 42, right at 42 today. Earlier I was down to 36. Alright, well, let's head back to Lago Vista. I got a few things to do today. I don't enjoy having a camera right in my face. Let's get this thing moved around. Well, that sock sure looks like that's a north wind. Wind is all over the place. Jesus.
Well guys, like I said, I was in a little bit of a funk this morning, so I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to do, but decided to go out and fly and found a new spot to land, so that was a lot of fun. And you know, the good news is it got me out of my funk. So with that guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.